The sun's out, there's a hosepipe ban in the north of the UK. Let's go look for some tinder. So you might have noticed we're not in the woodlands, we're out on the lawn today, and that's for a very good reason. Because of this little heat wave that we're having, it's dried up a load of these plants and we're going to take advantage. We might transition to the little haversack just for the summer, but one thing that is always in it is this little thing, a tinder pouch. And as you can see, cupboard's bare, so we're going to try and refill this morning. And as we mentioned before, we're out on the lawn because the sun's dried up a load of these plants. And because it's late summer, a lot of them have already started to seed and flower. For example, this thistle has already started to disperse its seeds, and you can see it's left very light, very combustible materials. So what we're going to do is take a little trip around the lawn and harvest a ton of these. We found a lovely cluster of them here, so we're just going to take nice handfuls, being extremely careful to not disrupt the life in the undergrowth or damage the plant itself too much. You'll see that we're just grabbing the material that we want. It comes off dead easy. No, I'm done. You'll see that we're not grabbing the leaves, we're not grabbing the stem. All we're taking is the part of the plant that's already flowered, stuffing those in there, and they're going to take the sparks from our ferro rod extremely well in combination with some other materials. A couple of blackberries to keep us going. Handful of these nice dead grasses ain't going to go amiss. If it gives you any resistance whatsoever, it's still too green, it's not going to go up. These come up nice and easy, so this is exactly what we're looking for. Okay, so we've moved over to the forge. Let's put our little theory to the test. We've got our dried grasses from before, turn this into our little bird's nest, tinder bundle, spores from the thistle will go in there, ferro rod. And there we go. And there we have it, summertime tinder bundle. I'm going to stay in the shade now, and until next time, go explore.